Patrick from Sugarland has a mystery odor.
Well, everybody has something, I suppose.
Yes, I took a shower this morning.
And I noticed it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyway, it's an intermittent odor issue, and it's in his back bathroom. That's where Patrick's problem is. And he writes, the odor starts with the first cold front in the fall, and it comes and goes through the winter, but disappears in late spring. A plumber suggested, you're going to like this, digging underneath the house to check the entire piping with hydraulic leak testing. It would cost about $5,000 with no guarantee of results. So, Tom, since it's seasonal, Patrick starts thinking maybe this is vent related. What do you think?
He's right. Especially in the wintertime because cold air drops. What's happening is the vent, I'm going to suspect, and I can't ask him questions, that it's down at the lower side of his roof.
Patrick. Tom wants to ask you questions.
The vent is down on the lower side of the roof, and so the cold air is dropping and is being pulled into the house when it's cold outside. Okay. And so the answer to that is you go in the attic and you reroute the vent out to a higher point in the roof, and it'll stop that. It's real common, especially if you have a septic system, and it's the last vent on the line towards the septic. Because the septic starts backing up in there too, and it's a vent issue. I would not go under the house and look for a leak. That doesn't make any sense. A leak in the underground is not going to smell. It'll make a puddle. It won't smell.
And I will tell you, we just had that hydrostatic test. He called it hydraulic test.
It's a hydrostatic test, yes.
Yeah, we just had that, and it's good times. You don't want it. So yeah. So when you move that vent, Tom, you move it up. Do you want the vent to be higher than the peak of the roof?
Not necessarily. It's just at that one point where it's getting sucked in, where the heat air is coming
off the top.
Yeah, so if you just get it up a little bit higher away from that spot, it'll vent out right.
And that's something a roofer.
You know how you
who
test?
Would do that? Would a roofer do that, or?
Well, a plumber would do it.
And then the roofer would have to detail it.
If you have to detail the roof and fix the old spot, yeah. But a way to test that when it starts happening, if you can get on your roof, I don't want anybody getting hurt, is get on your roof, take a plastic bag, put it over the vent, and put a rubber band on there, and see if it goes away.
So call your plumber.
Call your plumber.
Do you have a question? Go ahead and send it to us, because we don't want you on the roof. That is purely at your own risk.
Of course.
I'm just saying. Okay, before you had me on trademark law, now this. All right, don't go on your roof. Call a qualified professional. And send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form right there in the middle of the homepage. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.